Unraveling, When Memory Serves, a dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase you might have heard in conversations, movies, or books. When memory serves. Understanding phrases like this can really elevate your English communication skills. So let's dive in and uncover its meaning and how you can use it in your own conversations. The phrase, when memory serves, is used to indicate that the speaker is trying to recall a fact or a piece of information from their memory. It's a way of saying, if I remember correctly, or if my memory is accurate. This expression adds a touch of humility or uncertainty to the statement, acknowledging that human memory can sometimes be fallible. While the exact origin of when memory serves might be difficult to pinpoint, it's rooted in the acknowledgement of the reliability and fallibility of human memory. This phrase has been used in English literature and speech for centuries, reflecting a common understanding and experience across generations, that our memories play a crucial role in how we share information and stories, yet they are not always perfectly accurate. Incorporating when memory serves into your English conversations can make your speech sound more native and nuanced. Here are a few examples. In storytelling, when memory serves, it was the summer of '85 when we last met. While giving directions, turn left at the corner, when memory serves, and you'll see the library. During debates or discussions, when memory serves, the author mentioned this theory in the second chapter. Using this phrase can help you convey thoughts with a level of cautiousness about the accuracy of your memories, making your communication more sophisticated. Let's practice using when memory serves with a quick exercise. Try to recall a fond memory or a piece of historical information and share it using when memory serves. For example, when memory serves, my first English teacher had a unique way of explaining complex grammar rules, making them easier to understand. Thank you for joining us in today's exploration of the phrase, when memory serves. We hope this video has not only broadened your understanding of this expression but also inspired you to use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey filled with discovery and practice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.